This is a rotating one.
Yeah.
This is perfect. This
Rotates,
is what.
and then as it goes, it drops down, and then all the stuff will come
So
out.
you guys are concerned about your cat enclosing and this stuff. Look at this cat litter box maximum line, pretty much set up, and it actually rotates. All the bad odors, you're not gonna get it because it goes down to the bottom base. And then of course you're gonna get a sensor level, empty wash, and then of course Wi-Fi connection. This is not available yet, but we're hoping
It'll be available in the North American market in Q2.
this is what I want to see. No price set.
So we're still finalizing, but it'll be anywhere between $399 and $499 in the US.
Oh, that's cheap. That is cheap. This is how it cycles your waste on it.
Technology allows it to, what alien technology is being used to have suction it up with the
It is a suction valve.
Okay.
And then here, it's got a couple questions about the technology.
And that's where it's gonna go on the bottom. Look at that. Simple solution. And you don't have to worry about your cat getting close in here. If it starts moving, cats react real quick and it gives them a chance to move out. Safety's there. This is a perfect thing for safety. Waste, you can actually see the waste basket in the bottom. Removal, it will tell you when it needs to be empty. Size wise, it takes up a couple of feet. I would say 3 by 5, 3 by 4 maybe space, but it's well worth it. Keeping it in somewhere near your living room, bathroom. Here's the waste, guys.
Goes right into the bag, and then you'll be able to just take the bag out with you and discard.